Bird Lord, Master Bird, or something like that. Normally a Falco player. So we're gonna see some more spacey action. Same matchup basically. Well, I think this might be a little bit more fast paced. If I could predict it, I would say Saef would probably end up having control of the majority of the match.
What are you doing? Is he sitting on the floor? Oh, he's not even over there anymore.
Where'd Steven go?
He's right here. He's right here.
Oh, he turned bubble off.
Yeah, how many viewers you got? You said 7? That's not bad. It could be 0. It definitely could be 0. Wait, that? Oh yeah. He went ham. Oh yeah, you definitely. It's hard to drink those without eating first.
Yeah, I mean, I had some parties before I came here, and that's like, my body forgot about that cold pound.
I got you.
I can't eat Hardee's before at all. Really.
All you had to do was back air, man. Alright, back to this match though. So it looks like Saef definitely has early control. Oh, it was a really nice down smash. I definitely agree with the option there.
Oh, look at him showing off. Go ahead.
Go, okay.
Get your shine.
Alright, I see you, Saef.
Young man. He's really moving. Looking real crisp.
Definitely forced the roll with the dashing. I wish he was more confident in his mix-up though.
He's covering everything right now.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta be able to try to control the matchup as Falco while putting your lasers where you think the Fox is gonna be, instead of trying to laser where they already are, or else they're just gonna run circles around you.
Yeah.
See, right now, like PLMB was kind of lasering from bad angles. I definitely don't agree with the down smash, since it is an easily techable option. Like if you would have dared, I mean, you get it's way less lag for you to try to edge guard again. All right, takes a solid edge guard. Oh, he just cannot get away. Oh, nice shine. Let's see if we got the combo. Oh, gets stuck in shine, but gets the lucky down smash and trying to do a dare. Oh, misses the fall through on the platform and gets F smash. Oh, the classic F smash to down B.
Oh,
that was risky.
Yes. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's oh, nice angle. That was a pretty pro angle. That was really hard to edge guard. Grab the leg.
He got him covered. Oh, look at him.
Oh, misses an up smash. Oh, but there's a mistech on that top platform. Those are hard to tech, but a lot of times you lose your stock if you miss the tech.
Oh, that could have been his change. Kind of mistimed the up smash right there. Could have been a big damage.
They try to wave shine up smash Falco. Saef is clearly feeling himself right now. Oh, nice power shield. You got it. Oh, caught the jump. Oh. Just grabbed the ledge. That was a free stock.
He got it.
That was way more close than it should have been.
I would have up smashed.
Oh, tries it. Oh. Got extremely lucky. He's making a comeback right now. He's looking really strong. He's had control of the match since he had his last stock.
Gangster laser that he didn't get punched. Oh, good angle.
But now he's like random hits percentage. Oh, it doesn't matter. That's terrible around net. Oh, reads the jump with the back air. That's pretty nice. Almost had the edge guard situation, but yeah, makes it back. Saef on.
Saef. Oh, let's do it, huh? Oh,
Very nice. Oh, the walk-up grab. The ball's on this man.
Those are expensive. Like $5 a pack.
I would have went to another big stage. Seth's been like just owning.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this is definitely definitely the non-FD combo stage for Falco. It's like the resident practice my tech skill stage.
Yeah, basically. Oh. See, you don't want to be here. It's
Oh, very nice tech chase with the up air.
See, he just own him. He just everywhere. I'm kind of biased right now anyway because I don't like that Falco costume.
Oh, you gotta respect the clean jacket.
The shoes, man, it just looks fake.
This is so clean.
It is. It's too clean. You can't even fight when you're clean.
Yeah, you're a bird in space, man. You can do anything.
Yo, you're standing in front of the screen. Thank you.
See, I mean, you just getting, you're so clean, just getting blasted out to space.
Oh, that was the Randy X match. But as long as it hits, it works.
Yeah, got it.
Oh no. The stop cancel.
That sucks, man.
It does.